Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn and Meadow playing with her cat house. She really likes her new toy on there. It glows in the dark. She really likes to sleep in it too. She got it caught. Yeah, but she really enjoys it and likes to get her little cat treats in it and everything. When she's done playing, I'll get the cat treats. I think she heard cat treats. Um, she likes to go in and out and up and down and in here. She's going a little crazy now. But she really likes it. And so she's really enjoying her new house. She likes to scratch her nails on it and play, and she really likes the ball. She's gonna enjoy her little treats. Move down. That's pretty cool. Meadow. Come up, man. Sit. So she's enjoying her treats and her new toy, learning how to do a couple of tricks with it. She's getting bigger every day. So that's little Meadow playing. I hope you enjoy seeing her do her cute little cat and tricks. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.